Ay, naku, siyaw dyan. Hello, how are you there? I want to meet my friend somewhere out there. Woohoo! Hindi na ako magtaka isang araw, puro Chinese na rin ang salita niya.
I will learn Chinese language. I will sing with children, sing along with songs of children.
Aha! Ayaw mo ng mga BTS? How about the BTS?
What BTS?
Mga Korean.
I'm more fan of Chinese because of Shao-Kahn. Before I like Korean, so I like Lee Min-ho. Yes. Sarangheo.
Hello, Sarangamida.
Sarangamida. But I'm more like this Wine.
Baidu.
Wine is the same.
Oh, here we are again at the front of McDo. Something, smell good.
Yeah.
French fries. Alam mo, pagka napapanood natin yung mga videos natin, parang alay-layo na din na drive natin.